Is your storage filling up with photos of high file size? Or have a trouble with an online form? Don't worry, let's solve it. First you have to do is subscribe and enable the bell icon to get notifications. Go to Play Store and search for Q Reduce Lite. Download and install it. Open the app, allow the permissions. As you can see, this has a very simple interface. Click on choose photo and select an image to reduce the size of. I'm gonna choose this picture. Take a look at its quality. You can see its file size is 3.86 megabytes. I'm going to convert this to 300 kbs. It's processing, let's wait till it finished. Now it's done. Let's go and see it. As you can see, there is no change in the quality. Let me show you its properties. See the resolution and size, it's only 306 KB. That's it guys, hope you got some help. Please like this video and share it to your friends. Don't forget to comment something below and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.